Hello. In this brief video, we'll walk through how to start a Zoom session from your eClass course, as well as the tools you'll have available as the meeting host. At this point, you will have already created a Zoom tool in your course site and scheduled an upcoming meeting. Navigate into the Zoom tool in your eClass course and find the meeting you wish to join. When you're ready, you will need to click the Start button. Students will also be coming to this page to enter the Zoom meeting, though they will see a similar screen with a Join button instead. Once you click Start, a new browser tab will open to initiate the Zoom meeting. You may also receive a pop-up notification prompting you to launch the meeting from your computer's Zoom application. If you have not already downloaded the Zoom software onto your computer, you will have the opportunity to download it here. You also have the ability to join the Zoom meeting from your browser window, but please note that your experience and functionality will be limited. When the Zoom application first opens your meeting, it will give you a preview of the audio and video devices used to capture your voice and image. If you have multiple devices connected to your computer, you can use the drop-down menus to choose which one you wish to use. When you are ready to join the meeting, you can go ahead and click Start. Once the Zoom meeting is started and open on your computer, you have a few tools in front of you that will be able to help you manage the meeting. First, you have your audio and video buttons, which will allow you to mute and unmute your video and audio in the Zoom meeting. You also have drop-down menus next to each of them, so you can pick and choose which audio devices and video devices are being used to capture you. If you have a waiting room enabled, you will receive pop-up notifications every time a student enters the waiting room, giving you the option to admit them. You can also click the participants icon on your Zoom meeting to see who is in your waiting room and to admit them all at once, if preferable. The participants screen in your Zoom meeting also allows you to see all of the users that are currently in the Zoom meeting, or, if need be, also remove them from the meeting. You can also use the Zoom meeting chat to send private messages, either to the entire group or to individual users in the Zoom meeting. You also have the ability to screen share with your students, which is useful if you want to go through a PowerPoint slideshow with them or show them websites or text resources. You also have several host tools, which gives you some control over how participants are able to interact in the meeting. For instance, if you decide that a waiting room has become too cumbersome, you can enable or disable it in the host tools. You can also use this menu to enable or disable certain abilities from your participants, such as their ability to screen share, use the meeting chat, their ability to turn on or off their audio or video, and other key abilities available in Zoom. If you do not have it turned on already, you also have the ability to record your meeting, either locally to your computer as a video file, or to the cloud, which can be viewed in a browser window. For all the Zoom meetings that are scheduled through your Zoom tool in eClass, recording to the cloud will also make the recording available through eClass as well. When you're ready to leave the meeting, you can click the End button, which allows you to either leave the meeting individually and let everyone else keep talking, or you can end the meeting for all users to close it out for everyone. Once a meeting has elapsed, it will be added to your previous meetings list in the Zoom tool on eClass. It will also give you a valuable meeting report containing useful attendance data for all the users that were in your meeting.